Good morning, it's another day. As you can see, we're out nice and early, especially my son finishing off my work room. So that's him doing, and today I'm gonna cut off the tops of these and put in as much wood as I can and say Bob's your uncle. Yeah, getting ready for a barbecue on the 18th of July. Fantastic. I'll be back. So I've got all the safety gear, and yes, I've taken note of what you've said about disregarding safety. The glasses don't fit over my glasses, so let's eliminate that. I've got another one, I can't find it at the moment. As for this on my ears, it's killing me. It's so tight. I've tried expanding it, but I don't see where it's really blocking out the noise. So let me wear it for this, because I've got another one, so I'll try that one afterward and see the difference. But I'm hearing ya, and I've got a belt to support my back, so which I have been wearing under my clothes. I've got my gloves on, but yeah, here's the safety. Yeah, I must admit, it was a bit more quieter, yeah, but it's ever so tight around my ears. Let me try another one. I also went and bought a helmet as well. I did. That's left in the house at the moment, so I'll have to go and get it. Now that I found was useful, but only it doesn't fit properly. Oh dear. The gimmicks. But this one's much better. Yeah, I like this one. Yeah. Let's do another one. Oh, so I've cut this, right, but it's got a slight angle on it so that the rain could go off that way. But I don't want it to tilt too much, because when I put a shelf on here, I'd like people to be able to put their glasses here or anything. So I want it going as far back as I can so that it hits here, so it stops the trees as well, the amount of droppings from the trees going behind, because I ain't going to be clearing that up in years to come. Let me get on with it. Let's do another one. I'll do that one over there, but my videos are too long, so let's cut it. This wood is only 11 mil thick. As I said before, I bought the wrong one. It should have been plywood, but this cost me a lot of money, so I'm not wasting it. So what I'm going to do is I'll put two on top of each other. I'm going to glue it together and staple it, and then it will become 22 mil wood. And don't forget, I'm actually tiling it, so we'll see how long this will last over the years. Right, so putting them in place, and I'm going to cut them down to size. As you notice, I have not touched the floor with it, but when I do the tiles will be on the floor and sealed, so hopefully water doesn't get under it. But what I should do is seal it with some silicone underneath it, and I think I'll do that before I put the tile on, so that will make it kind of waterproof so that the water slides off into the drainage. Right, what I had forgotten is I wanted to put some right angles or some angles in the corner, so that this person sitting here has got somewhere to put their legs comfortably. So I think I'm going to have to move this in and put something there. Move that up. Yeah, I'll do that.